All right, everyone. It is time for the almost week 5 update for Bionic Shoulder 302. I don't know. I just made that up. Really, the only reason I'm recording this is I want to try this vintage edition SE Electronics VR1 ribbon microphone. And it's I don't know, some people say this doesn't look good, but it's so shiny. You know, it's shiny. It's like a chrome and then old style, like weathered metal around it. And it sounds really amazing for, well, I want to try it on a guitar, but I just think it's very smooth sounding. And yet, unlike a lot of ribbon microphones, it still picks up the high end. And that is because the frequency response on this particular microphone is from 20,000 hertz, from 20 hertz to 18,000. I'll get it right. So it's got that low end in there, but it's also got the high end that a lot of ribbon mics don't have. So it's, more of a condenser frequency response, but with the smooth sound of a ribbon microphone. Anyway, back to shoulder update. I am getting better very slowly, much too slowly for my likes. But I hear next week I get to start doing a little bit more movement. Interesting development over the last 3 days, I'd say. When I move the shoulder doing pendulums, right? There's like you swing back and forth, forwards and backwards like this, and those are normal. But back and forth like this, where you're swinging your arm like, a grandfather clock or something, there's a click, and it goes click, 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 click. And it's more something I feel than what I hear. But that's new, so I don't know what the deal is with that. I don't know if that's just because like the new shoulder parts need to be broken in and I'm just now getting more movement in there, or I don't know. I don't know what else it could be. I haven't fallen down. I haven't, went out and cut down any trees or used the mall or any of the stuff that's, on the list of things that I'm not supposed to do. So, it's unclear to me why that particular click feeling is happening, but it is. So we won't worry about that because we got this shiny microphone, and shiny is good. If it's shiny, I don't know. Life just couldn't be better, right? So yeah, that's it. Anyway, at near the end of week 4 or week 5, as I was trying to convince my wife earlier, but she just wouldn't count with me. So what are you going to do? Okay. Anyway, time to stop this recording and check out a new serial cable for my ham radio, because I know that's going to be exciting too. But it's not shiny like this. Okay, later.